This is a 1939 Smith Corona Standard. It has been fully refurbished and it is ready to type. This beautiful Corona Standard typewriter has been fully refurbished. Everything on it works as it should. It has really nice keys. The finish is in really good shape with just a few blemishes on it. Right here's the most noticeable blemish of a lighter mark there. And the Corona is just a little bit faded there. But still got the nice crinkle coat finish. It's in good shape. I'm also including with this typewriter an extra ribbon, a brand new one, to keep you typing for years to come, and a reprinted user's manual. And the original case, which has been rebuilt and repainted. It's a wooden case. It has new rubber feet on the bottom of it. The inside has been reinforced. It's good and solid. This is for the 1939 Corona Standard typewriter.